So, Tito, most jealous dog ever. Ugh. All right.
So you can get my new sourdough breakfast melts anytime. Choose from ham or bacon with egg and cheese on toast.
No one touches my lady. Do it again.
Come here. Sit, sit.
Tito's a jealous dog.
Sit, sit, stay. Okay. Oh. Ooh.
Wait, now you have to do the hugging.
All right, here. Here. Oh.
Wait, now you have to go back to, you have to stand up and do it so you can do back to back also.
No, we gotta do this first. Okay.
Back to back though, perfectly fine. Back to back is fine. Wait, do it front to front again. Just let's really mess with him a little bit.
Hey.
Oh, front to front.
Oh.
Back to back, back to back. It's fine.
He goes.
It's fine. He approves.